Yo guys, what's going on? Thank you for checking out the video. We're doing a raw ride on the upgraded Razor MX 500 today. Looks like there's gonna be rain. However, we're just gonna get a quick rip in. Just want to ride this thing as much as possible to get as good as possible. If any of you guys are curious as to all the mods I have done to this, I plan on making a full walk around video talking about all the mods I have very soon, so keep an eye out for that. But you can kind of see what I do or what I've done to this bike to get it to do this, so keep an eye out for that. This is pretty much just going to be lots of long wheelies. It's going to be a longer video. Just showing you all the wheelies. So I hope you guys enjoy. That's where we need the Maguras. I would have looped if I had the zooms there. Hey buddy. That looks like a happy dog. I encourage the rain because it's been like 90 degrees plus here for the past 4 days straight. I think it's been like the hottest 3 days in a row, July 4th, 5th, and 6th ever. Oh shit. Always getting stopped by trees here. Wave to the cars. Hello. Hello. So much shrapnel on this bridge. It's awkward. It's hard for me to get my foot up and over. I don't have the flexibility. I need to go to yoga, man. If we just start with our leg over the bar, man, that feels weird. What do I have, toothpaste on my pants? Sketchy. It's funny because before I knew how to wheelie, I used to think that knee knockers looked easier than sit downs, but they're not. They're definitely not, at least to me. Sit downs are easy to me. Guys, I would absolutely love it if these bikes came with a foot brake, or if there was like a kit for one. I've been talking to a couple people that Razor kid about getting someone to make a custom fab for it, but the issue is I just don't know where it would be mounted, like, because it would be amazing for one-handers, for hand drags, for even technically no-handers, if I were to ever get that good. But I don't know how it would be done, but if it could be done, that would be sick. These turns are asking to be wheelied. We're working on our right hand turns. Left ones come a lot more naturally. But the right is coming along here too. Just gotta practice it. He caught that one at the last second. Oh no, I feel raindrops. Retreat, retreat. This thing is not waterproof. I got it wet at the New York City Surround Mega Ride, and now it's louder. It's still working so far, knock on wood, but not trying to get caught in the rain. Yep, let's whip it home. Guys, we are so close to 2,000 subscribers. Hopefully by the time this video goes out, maybe we'll have 2,000. But I appreciate every one of you for liking, commenting, subscribing, most importantly. Lets me know that you enjoy my videos. Plus, it just motivates me to continue making videos. So, 2,000 of you enjoy this, that's awesome to me. If they ever finish construction on this road, I could just ride back that way. And it'd be a lot quicker, but you know how construction goes. Oh yeah, we're getting wet now. I think I need to lube my chain again. I actually have a new one too that I might install. I think I'll do one less link than the current one, because I think the current one's just a little bit long. We're robbing ourselves of a little bit of power and torque. Dude, on my CRF 250L Supermoto, I used to dream of wheeling this whole bridge. Look at me now, baby. All we had to do was convert to electric and a child-sized bike. Now we wheelie the whole thing. Even through the potholes, maneuvering around the dirty laundry. We've come a long way. We really have. Slow it down. Now we wheelie it no problem. And we take all the turns. It's really a beautiful thing, isn't it? I really thought I was gonna get hit there for a second. Could be a potentially bad idea, but I'm gonna swing up real quick to the art museum just to see the area, check it out, see what's going on. But we're definitely gonna get rained on, so. Well, hopefully not. It is going to rain at some point, and I do not want to be a part of it. Whew. Smells like absolute ass right here. Let's get a quick photo up here. I don't know why I'm just blatantly ignoring the impending rain, but I am. It's because I just want to ride, man. Whew. Yeah, I got you. Had to do it for him, you know. Good video. After this video, you guys will have to let me know too if you enjoy this sort of more raw content with no real topics to the videos versus maybe a bit more of an edited video. What do you like more? Because these videos are pretty easy to turn out. Just go rip around, because I'm going to be riding anyways, practicing. So if you like these, let me know. Silent killer. What's going on? You want to race? Yeah? Hey? Scooter loses race versus e-bike. Why are all these cars here? I think I won. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you next time. I gotta get home because I'm gonna get wet. Peace.